We have some wonderful products that you can use to supercharge your next meal, whatever it might be. It could be the roast veggie couscous salad that you're seeing here, or it could be whatever you're planning to cook up this evening. The wonderful thing about Supercharged Food is that we've given you products that are easy to use, either drop dose them, powder dose them, and they can super boost any meal. So with this one, we're going with our wild Tasmanian superfine seaweed. It's really rich in iodine, which is an essential trace element that your thyroid requires for proper functioning. It also helps with the development and function of the brain, the nerves, and your bones. But that's not it. Make sure that the next glass of water you drink contains something that is going to cleanse and nourish your gut. So here is our diatomaceous earth, our most famous Love Your Gut powder. As you can see, I'm putting a teaspoon into this glass of water here. We don't actually stop here though. We've got something else that we're adding in just a minute. The wonderful thing about the Love Your Gut powder is it tastes great. It's so easy to use. You can add it to smoothies, juices, water. You can even cook it in food. Now we have the Fulvic Humic, which is one of our best cleansers, but yes, one of your best cleansers. It's a wonderful way to promote good gut health. It's going beyond probiotic supplementation.